steps lesson. So I'm going to look at the agenda for the day. Make sure you take attendance. We're going to go over second step lesson with me, and then you're going to respond to a wrap-up question on our Jamboard. So I don't know if you guys have been using Jamboard with any other classes. It's my first time using it, so I just thought I would try it out with you all. Haley, that's okay. Make sure that you do your attendance, Haley, and then we are going to look at our second step lesson. All right, so we finished our first unit for second steps. Thought it went pretty well, but this unit is on bullying. So in this lesson, we're going to examine our beliefs about bullying and harassment. All right, so our warm-up, how do you think bullying has changed since your parents were in school? I think this question's kind of neat. So how do you think it's changed? Y'all can either unmute yourself or type it in the chat. Yeah, there is cyberbullying now. Michael thinks it's gotten better. Marley says schools are more serious about it now. What else? I don't know if it's gotten better or if it's gotten worse. That's up in the air because I feel like there's more ways that you can bully now. Okay, Michael thinks it's more physical. It was more physical back then, but now it's more people just talking. Mara says she thinks it's gotten worse. What else? For those of you that are just now hopping on here, we're answering this question for a little warm-up. How do you guys think that bullying has changed since your parents were in school? So somebody, I can't remember, was it Layden? You said something about cyberbullying. That's something that they did not have. They didn't really have cell phones or Wi-Fi, very much internet. And then some people think it's gotten worse and some people think it's gotten better. Okay, so what we're going to look at, we have some vocab words that I'm sure you guys have seen already, so I'm not going to read these. If you want to read them, then you totally can. I'll leave them up on the screen for you all to look over. Tim says it builds character. I don't know about that. Michael says maybe, it depends. It could really hurt a person, right? All right, so if you guys want to look over that, you can. What we're going to discuss real quick is I have this question for you. So what do you think? What percentage of students reported being bullied in each of these countries? And so we're going to click the white dots to find out. Okay, Tate says it depends when my parents were in school. They fought, but now there are more ways to bully, and it depends where you live. If it's in a bad part of town or in an open country. Don't Google it. Don't Google it right now. We're going to guess, okay? So this is not a very good drawing, but I guess, yep, this is Australia. What do you guys think? What's the percentage of students reported being bullied in Australia? What do we think? Give me a number. 91. Oh my gosh, that's pretty high. 91%. 65, 39. Tim says he has friends in Australia. 45. Okay, let's look. Ooh. 23% of students have experienced bullying in the last 12 months. So I would say that's pretty low, right? I wouldn't think that's too terribly high. All right, Thailand. What do you guys think about Thailand? Think they're pretty strict over there? All right, so I'm seeing 13, 30, 46, 45. So still, you guys are saying pretty low numbers. 8, 20. Let's look. 33%. So who was the closest? Michael, you just keep saying the numbers as soon as I show them. All right, so Thailand is a little higher than Australia, but not too much higher. It's about 5%, right? I do not know how to say this word. Anybody pronounce this word? Namibia? I can't say it. All right, what do we think here? Oh my gosh, I can't say it. All right, Tate says 17. Tim is all the way up there, 81. $42, 23 again. Okay, let's look. Ooh, that's kind of higher than I would have expected. 47% of students have experienced bullying. Higher than the other two. All right, Switzerland. What do we think about Switzerland? I know, Michael, it's half. That's terrible. Dang. We're staying pretty low. 2, 4. What are some other percents that we think? Michael thinks it's going up in Switzerland. Tim, your numbers are high. 17. Marley says 50. All right, let's look at Switzerland. Same as Thailand, right? So 33% of students have experienced bullying. All right, now we're getting over closer to us. All right, we've got Jamaica. Jamaica. What do you guys think? Has anybody ever been to Jamaica? Jamaica is beautiful. Who said that? Oh yeah, didn't we? I think we talked about this, didn't we? On the first day. All right. I'm gonna guess that Jamaica's lower, like closer to Australia. That's my guess right now. Okay. There we go. 26% of students, which is still not great. I would like for that number to be 0. All right, last one. Now we got the United States. What do y'all think? Hey, I'm seeing pretty high numbers here. That's a big percentage, Michael. All right, Lena says 86. 200%. Okay, we'll see. Whoa. Huh. I don't know. It seems a little skewed, right? No, they just made these new second step lessons. So I don't know if they're getting information from everybody or what. But like you would think that it'd be higher than any other place. I guess just because we're here and we experience it more, but then think about like who was the highest one on here? This one was the highest one on here, wasn't it? Think about 47%. If we're experiencing 20% of our students and we're thinking that that's kind of close, because I don't think they would give us false information or information that they didn't think was true. Okay, Tate's saying something, an important idea. He's saying 1 out of 5 actually report it. That could be possible, right? So these are people saying like they've experienced it, but maybe they don't want to talk about it. Maybe they responded with no. Right, so some get bullied and don't say anything. All right. All right. So we're not going to do this activity. That is going to be something that you guys are going to do on Wednesday. So Wednesday we are actually going to watch a video, and then our activity is going to be on Canvas. But we do have a wrap-up question, and I'm going to see how this goes on our Jamboard. So I have a Jamboard that I want you guys to look at, and I'm going to copy this link and post it in the chat. And this is going to be like a follow-up question. Okay, so if you guys want to go to that link, and you'll see a picture or a page like this. All right, this kind of gets you thinking. If you want to go ahead and join this, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and post a sticky note. So there is a sticky note over here on the right, on the left, sorry. You can post a sticky note and you can write whatever you would like. So in your own words, you're going to explain why it's not okay to bully or harass other people. Okay, so you can pick whatever color you would like. I like blue, so that's what I would pick. And so you're going to explain to me in your own words why it's not okay to bully or harass other people. All right, so leave my little writing alone, and you guys post your sticky notes. Okay, sticky notes are going to be over here on the left side of this. All right, and I cannot see who posted. Well, actually, you all can't see who posted this, but I can at the very end. And so this is all anonymous. I don't think you guys will see who posts each of these. All right, so go ahead, post on there. That will be your grade for the day. Okay, so go ahead, post on this page, and that will be your grade for the day. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. And you guys make sure that you respond to that wrap-up question on our Jamboard. Once you have done the wrap-up question on the Jamboard, that is all that I have for you guys today. Let me know if you have any questions, but I will see you tomorrow, and we will be on Edpuzzle. Okay, you guys have a great rest of your Monday. Bye, Landon. Bye, Akito. Bye, Mira. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye, Tim. Bye, Haley. Bye, guys. Make sure you post on the Jamboard. I'll see you all tomorrow.